Okay, here's the 6-week video of Rena and Buddy's kids. They'll be 8 weeks old on May 6th, 2012. And the girl is purchased. We think her name is going to be Trixie, after Speed Racer's sister.
Oh, say hi to your daddy.
Say hi, Daddy Frank. Hi, Daddy Frank.
She's having a ball here.
Yes, she is. She's a good girl.
Here's Rena's little boy.
He's little.
And he is...
He's funky.
Huh. Yes, you are. He's going to be little, less than 5 pounds, I'd say.
Yeah.
He's staying small. Yes.
He's a beautiful orange and white. What are you guys doing?
Get over here.
Come here, baby.
He is just
Come
adorable.
Here. He is. He's got a beautiful head and face, just like his mom and dad.
And he's a happy boy.
He's a happy boy.
He's a happy boy. Yes, he is.
Now, his ears have already come up. Hers should be along here within the next week and a half.
You see that?
They're trying.
Come here. Oh, my goodness. What you doing over there? What you doing over there?
Come here, kid. Come on out here and play.
You want to wrestle? Huh? You want to wrestle? Yeah, I'll wrestle with you. I'll wrestle with you. Yes. Are you going to chew on my ear? Mm-hmm.
Oh, her little tail's just going a million miles a minute. Like a little helicopter. Get him. Get him.
Oh, you're so silly. Oh, you can't have my glasses. No, you can't take my glasses. And she gets fixated on something, that's it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Now you just want to give kisses. Nothing but kisses. Nothing but kisses. Yes, you're just beautiful. I know. And you little doodle bug.
Yes.
That's what he is. He likes his belly rub.
Yes.
He's just cuter than anything.
Yeah.
Yes, he is. I'm a doodle bug. And I plan on being a doodle bug my whole life. Yes, I do. Here, Mitzi. Get over here in the camera.
Say hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. I don't know what that thing is. What is that thing? What is that thing? Don't. Look at Daddy shoot. Oh, look how pretty you are, little
Isn't it
man.
just gorgeous?
He's beautiful.
What a beautiful pup. It's going to be small. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
He's very solid, though.
Yeah.
He's going to have short legs and short little body.
Mm-hmm.
He's going to look like a 3-pounder, but he's going to weigh about 5.
Yeah.
I'm solid boy.
Yeah.
Which is good.
Yep.
Solid is good. Huh. Oh, mister. Oh, little doodle bugger.
Where you going, little girlie? You adventuring?
Every time you touch him, he rolls over. He wants some butt rubs or belly rubs. No, not my belly rubs. Just
Massage me. Huh. Do-do-do. Do-do-do.
Where'd she go?
She's over here adventuring. She says, I'm conquering the Alps. Yes, I am. Look at you. Look at you. Say hi, Daddy. See how pretty I am? Yeah. So here they are. You want to come visit? Play with them on the floor.
Bye to your daddy.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye,
You have a
Daddy.
good trip. Don't
See
worry
you in
about
about
me.
10 days.
Yeah. Vic and Mary gonna take very good care of me. Don't you worry. Yes.
You. I get to play with you some more. Yes.
Yeah.
But right now, don't think he's gonna last long.
No.
Not with a personality like that. I'm huge. I think I'm a Rottweiler. Only I'm little. Look at him. Oh my butt. Oh my butt. He's gonna have a ton of personality.
Yep.
Yes, he is. He's acting little in here because this is his first time in the kitchen, but in his pen, he was the most outgoing, and he's just always full of that. Yes, he is. Oh, I'm just full of it all the time.
With a lover boy.
Yes, he's up to... Did I tell you how cute I am?
Cute?
Did I tell you how cute I am? Oh my goodness. Yes. You know, he's going to be one of those few dogs that can really connect with the human. I can spot him.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to be like our little one we kept. His name is Snitzer. His name is Snitzel. Yeah. Yeah, look at you. No, you're just adorable. Maybe we should keep him.
No.
We need a guy in the house. It's just me against all these girls. Yeah. Okay, say goodbye.
Bye-bye, baby.